Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Transparency Bodycam, and the title of the video is Woman Arrested for Disorderly Conduct After Cutting in Line for Pizza. Come on, man. People are getting arrested for the dumbest things. I don't get it. Oh, it's lit outside. It's active. Jersey? Okay.
Nobody fucking report your ass. Nobody report you. Enough already. Enough. Enough already. Enough. You're so fucking stupid. Enough.
I'm ordering.
Enough.
In line.
You gotta leave though. Relax.
They're so stupid.
Out of my face. Do not get in my face.
Touch me ever again.
In my face. Do not get in my face, please.
Don't you fucking touch me again.
Stop.
Don't you fucking touch me. Don't you fucking touch me, motherfucker.
Do not get in my face.
Don't get in my fucking face either. Okay, you understand that? Don't get in my fucking face either.
You need to leave.
No.
You can leave.
No.
You have to leave.
No.
Yeah, we have to leave.
I'm gonna fuck my secret piece of real. Yeah. Don't fucking put your...
Get
you
out.
stupid-
You have to leave.
You are such a stupid
you with
little
this lady?
fucking... No, he's not. He's actually not.
All right, you gotta go.
You're such a little fucking RoboCop, right? Don't you fucking talk. Don't you put your hands on me.
Yo, they're clapping.
Doesn't matter.
Don't touch me. Do not touch me. Do not touch me.
Stop resisting.
Do not touch me.
Arresting.
Stop touching me. Oh my God, stop touching me. 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 Get off of me.
You're under arrest.
Stop talking to me.
The other one with the white shirt? Yes. They're good. It's on.
Anything else?
Done.
All right.
I have a slipper on. You have to stop this.
No, I don't.
Please stop
Nope,
it.
let's go. You want to act up, right? That's it.
Please stop.
Nope, you want to act up, you're done.
Please stop.
That was no, please stop.
I don't care.
Please
Can
stop.
you not hurt me, please?
Oh, now you want to cry, right? You want to act up? Now you want to cry? Okay.
I didn't do anything wrong.
You put your hands on my officer.
I did not.
Yeah, you did. It's all on camera.
No, I
It's all on
didn't.
camera. Get in the car.
Please stop. Please stop
Get in the car.
hurting me. Please stop
You're
hurting
under
me.
arrest.
Please stop hurting me. Please stop hurting me.
Nobody's hurting you.
Please stop hurting me.
You got the bag?
Yep.
All right. All right, we're gonna have one female 1025. She's coming up now. 67636.1. Ma'am, you're under arrest. That is it.
I have type 1 diabetes.
Okay.
Okay, so that doesn't give you the right to put hands on one of your own officer.
He was touching me.
No, he would. Yeah, because we're trying to. You gotta
Got
leave.
in my face, and we asked you to leave, and then you kept being aggressive.
I left eventually.
No.
No, that's not how that works. When we tell you to leave, you
Eventually.
leave.
Nah.
She has her insulin in her bag. You want to?
Okay, no.
Huh?
No.
Stop.
Okay, you want to call?
Ma'am, you are under arrest.
No, I will leave. I don't
No.
That's too late. You're under arrest.
understand the type 1
She
diabetes.
smacked you, right? She put her hands on you.
Well, she got in my face, and then I said.
Disorderly conduct.
Yeah,
then.
I'm
disorderly.
36 years old. I do this for a living. You guys have to stop
No.
this, please.
And now you have a record. It's that simple.
Yeah. We asked you to leave. You got in my face. I said back up.
I did not, guys.
You did.
I did not.
It's all on
It's all
camera.
Body camera.
You should take me to the side and talk
No.
to me.
Well, we tried to tell
We
you.
trying to do that. You wanted to get tough. It's that simple.
Can you please talk to me?
Nope, you're under arrest. That's it. No more talking. That's it. Okay?
No, I'm a type 1 diabetic.
That has nothing to do with it.
Has nothing to do with any of that.
We'll have a ambulance come and check you out right now.
Guys, can you please stop this?
It's funny how like when someone gets arrested now, oh, my shoulder hurts, that, you know, I broke my shoulder, be easy, or I'm a diabetic, or I have asthma, and all of, oh, now all of this, Matt. But you were just boasting up like you was like that. You know what I mean? She was boasting up like, okay, now you wanna, you know, simmer it down, but it's too late.
118, can we get a rig at HQ?
I didn't. Guys, please stop. I'm from Jersey City.
Doesn't matter.
What does that mean?
Like you're 1025. It doesn't matter.
Don't come back to Hoboken from Jersey City.
No, you're under arrest. Disorder and possible assault on police officer.
Resisting arrest.
And you resisted arrest.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay.
That's cool.
We didn't need any of those. All right, ending mileage 67636.5.
Sir, please respond.
She put her hands up she was basically trying to fight Basile.
We didn't touch her. We didn't do anything. We literally said. I just literally said. I put my hand up in her face. I said, "Please do not get aggressive with us. Don't approach us."
So
and
it's
then
right.
when we tried to escort her out,
Come on.
Right.
It's all on camera.
multiple times verbally nicely, ma'am. And then you resisted.
I am a diabetic. Please stop.
Come on, Till.
I see your
Please
insulin pen is
stop.
right here.
Exactly. Please stop.
You being a diabetic doesn't allow you to put your hands on police
I
officers.
didn't put. Please stop hurting me.
Nobody's hurting you, man.
You're hurting me. Stop.
There were about,
Stop.
man, there's about 100 cameras that caught the way you were
I
acting,
didn't do
including
anything
our own.
wrong.
Yeah,
I
right.
didn't do anything wrong. It's a fucking piece of paper. Stop. Just, I know, I'm trying. I'm diabetic. Please stop. No, you can't do that. Please stop. This is ridiculous.
Oh, let's go.
What does being diabetic have to do with anything? Like, if you got to use medical as an excuse or whatever to try and get out of something, which is not going to work, but that's like one of the worst reasons. Like, say asthma or something, I can't breathe, do something, at least not. But you know, I do give her credit for creativity, you know what I mean? It is different, you know. I'm a diabetic, yeah, that's different, because we do hear the asthma one all the time, you know. It's like a, you know, I can't breathe, I got asthma, you know, you know.
About what? About what?
Is this a female, right?
Okay. About what? About what? I have no shoes on.
Where are your shoes?
I'm a diabetic. A diabetic needs shoes.
Where are your shoes?
Well, I guess you apparently left them, right?
There might be in the backseat.
Oh, I'll check.
That's why I sent Bhisey back. Where's Shelby?
Yeah. This is not okay. I have diabetes. I have to.
Stop it. Just stay over here.
I didn't do anything wrong to you. Please
Ma'am,
stop.
there were over 100 cameras that caught everything, which is amazing,
I
including
don't-
our own.
Can you let go of me, please?
No, you're under arrest.
Oh my
It's that
God,
simple.
I'm not. Please let go of me. Please let go of me.
Yeah, no, we're fine. She wants to act tough and put her hands on cops, and then the minute she's under arrest, she starts crying.
I know what happened. I'm a little bit left.
We gotta search this. So, we got there, the report was a single male. When we got there was 2 males and a female. The guy says all 3 of them gotta go. Said, you know, he's gotta leave. 2 men leave without issue. She starts a problem with him.
I didn't hurt anybody.
We asked her to leave. She tells us to fuck off multiple times. And then he says, simple as I mean, can you go? And that's when she put her hands up.
Got in my face. I said, please back up.
I got in somebody's face. I didn't bother anybody. I didn't bother anybody. I didn't bother anyone.
You resisted our
I didn't bother anybody. It's not okay. I didn't bother anyone. I didn't bother anybody. I have diabetes. I can't be here.
What are these pills?
They're my diabetic medications.
The blue ones for medication, or is it a Percocet or whatever else
No,
it is?
none of that.
10:15. Your pen number is 64614. 64614.
I didn't do anything.
She has like loose pills. I don't know what they are. One's cracked. It's blue.
No. No. That's my insulin. And that's all it is. I have a serious job. Probably more serious than your job.
Okay. This is my point. Insulin
I'm a
is
diabetic doctor.
insulin's liquid, isn't it?
It is.
Right. So this is the insulin pen. You have two different pills here.
Exactly. Insulin is two different. I'm a type 1. I take two different types.
But this is the insulin here.
They're both two different insulins.
So you have insulin in the pen?
There are two different insulins.
She has insulin that what do you have? Metformin
Here.
and glimepiride?
No, I'm a type 1.
Okay, so
There are two types.
So
we
is,
have a rate coming to
these loose pills, are those part of it?
I mean,
I want to go home.
well, that's not gonna happen.
Why?
Not right now.
I
You get
don't
processed,
understand.
then you most likely get released.
I don't understand. I don't understand. I ordered pizza somewhere and I don't understand.
That's the issue.
My friend Melissa was with me tonight. Nothing happened, Dad. We were both at a bar. That was it. Nothing happened.
So you just completely forgot everything that happened in the last 15 minutes?
No, not at all. Nothing happened.
Okay.
That's my insulin that you're going through. That's my keys. That's everything you're going through.
Yeah, I'm allowed to. You're under
allowed to
arrest.
do that. You're under arrest.
Why am I under arrest?
Disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, and
I didn't do anything wrong.
these loose pills do not look like insulin.
They are insulin. Right
This
there
is-
in front of your face.
Where's your pen? Right there. Okay, so
Right
you,
there.
so you,
Exactly.
you have this.
I don't have that when you can't
What is
throw
this?
that.
What is
you
this?
can't throw that on
What
the-
are these? Are they
Oh
glimepiride
my
or metformin? What are they?
They're metformin
Okay.
second pill.
There you
So
go.
there's two different
You
types.
can't throw that on the ground.
It's not on the ground. It's on the table. Everything's
You
fine.
can't throw my insulin on the ground.
Okay. It's not on the ground. It's on the table,
You can't
lady.
throw insulin. You can't get an air bubble.
Okay. You have no idea what you're talking about. All right.
Yeah, because I'm a lot older than you are.
Okay. Yeah, we can see that.
And you're young. I am 40 fucking
All right,
six.
Nah, Shelby, we're gonna do what we want.
I am 46
You weren't
years
there.
old. You don't get to go through my
Oh,
insulin
you're still
like
on,
that.
sir.
I've had diabetes for 33 years, and you don't get to go through my insulin like that.
Yes, we do.
All right. Subject
no,
is
I'm telling you right now, I will
attached to
sue
the.
you.
It's fine. You won't be the first person to try.
Exactly. And my shoes over there. Wrong.
We're gonna check to see what these pills are. I'm in my
Because
recording.
it's at a pizza parlor. Go find something that's real.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you. No FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.